Your 3-minute question and answer period for the CWB Financial Education Challenge will now begin. How did you develop the curriculum or content for your program? Did you engage any partners?
So we're a pretty diverse team. We have people from different university years, different programs, different experiences. What we did at the beginning is we all got together and brainstormed issues that we're currently facing and issues that were developed because of the COVID pandemic. And we made a list of reoccurring themes and addressed that when creating our program.
Do you have any plans to scale your project? Why and how?
We're definitely planning to continue our mental health programs in the years to come, as they proved to be very beneficial to the students currently. We also have programs related to the financial literacy and mental health that are going to occur at the end of the year. And we're planning to scale that out to more university students across Canada and the world.
How did you design your evaluation process to effectively measure impact, given the private nature of personal finances?
For sure. What we did was we did pre-surveys, post-surveys, and so let me clarify what we did. We did webinars, and through these webinars, we did a pre-survey of what students would like to get out of the webinar, and then a post-survey explaining, talking about their experiences and whether they found it beneficial. And of course, the topic around finance is kind of usually discreet, and people don't like to be public about it, but we tried to make our surveys anonymous to help students out.
What training did your project managers or program facilitators undergo?
I think, we didn't undergo any specific training. However, we worked together as a team to kind of see how we can learn from each other and our own experiences to improve our project.
Can you clarify what you achieved this year versus previous years?
So this year, basically, in terms of the scale of our events, we had 3 mental health webinars, and we also had a couple of game nights and social events. Last year, we had, because of COVID, we only did 1 webinar, which was still virtual. So in terms of scale of events and the number of people we've touched, and in terms of our social media outreach, as well as our community partners and external partners, we've really grown this year.
How do you measure the long-term impact of your program on participants?
So in our mental health webinars, we had—
Your time has now expired. Thank you, Enactus University of Toronto-Mississauga.